Are you a busy professional who is feeling overwhelmed? You are being bombarded by a lot of financial burdens. Oh my goodness, you can't take vacations like you want to, and you are tired of it. I've been there. And so I'm going to talk to you today about a strategy that I use for investing where I grew my portfolio by 2,000%. So, what is this method? It's the CPR method. And so today I'm going to talk to you about the P in the CPR. Now, the P stands for picking a winning stock. That's going to be very essential for you. Picking a winning stock. And so what does this entail? This means that you will have to do your research. I emphasize this in any workshop that I do, in any talk, financial literacy talk that I give, or any speaking engagement. You really have to pick a winning stock, right? What does this mean? You have to research the financial history of the stock. Who is the CEO for the stock, right? You have to look at the growth potential of the stock, right? And I also say you want to look for dividend stocks that will give you dividends, right? And what is dividends? Well, I'll talk about that in another video, so be sure to look out. But you want to make sure that you are picking the winning stocks so that you can, for sure, increase your money, increase your wealth over time using the stock market. Now, let me give you an example. So, for instance, Amazon. Amazon is what we call a winning stock, right? Why? Because Amazon entered the stock market in the 90s, the early 90s, at $18 per share. Now, in today's century, Amazon is worth $3,000. Well, actually over $3,000. And so that is one of the reasons why it's very essential that you're able to pick a winning stock. Can you imagine if you had Amazon in the 90s at $18 and you owned it now? You would be a wealthy person, my friend. But yeah, so that is why it's very important. That's why I emphasize you truly want to ensure that you're able to pick the winning stock in your portfolio, and then you are able to flourish, right? Again, if you are interested in learning more about the CPR method, feel free to click the link below to sign up for my free webinar. We have an upcoming one soon. Click the link, register, get your seat. It's filling up fast. You want to be sure that you're in the room to learn about the CPR method and how you can use it to maximize your growth, even if you're a busy professional. See ya.